Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make picot stitch. I'm gonna be using a 3mm needle and a bright color yarn so it's easy for you to see what I'm doing. I'm also working on a pre-crochet base of 2 rows of single crochet. So let's start. So to do picot stitch you can do it closed and open. Closed meaning that all the little loops are gonna be closed together. In this case I'm gonna show you how to do the open picot stitch because I think it's easier to see. So we start by doing 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get back to the base, to the loop where we started. We put the needle through, you hook the yarn in, and then you have 2 yarns in your needle. So you pass one through the other one, and here you have your first picot stitch on the corner of your work. And now we're gonna do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. So that's the separation between the picot stitches. Now again 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain stitches, and you get back down to the same stitch. We're still on this stitch here. You put the needle through and you bring some more yarn in. You have two yarns in your needle, and then you just pass one through the other, and you have your second picot stitch. Now, as we did before, we do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. You see how the work is looking. If you don't remember how to do single crochet, go to previous tutorials. So I always recommend to practice each stitch till you're really used to do it before you move on to the next stitch. So we have all 3 single crochets. So now we're gonna do another picot stitch, and again 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain stitches. You go back to the bottom, you get some yarn there, and you pass it again, and now 1, 2 and 3 single crochet. See, 1 chain stitch, 2, 3, 4, we get the yarn again, close the loop, and 1, 2 and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 close the loop. Again, 1, 2 and 3 single crochet, 4 chain stitches, we close the loop, and we finish the piece of work with 1 and 2 single crochet. So there you go, you have your little picot stitch, open picot stitch finished. So just keep practicing till you are familiar with it. This is a really nice stitch to put on edges for, like, you know, dresses and just a little detail, or just to finish works, you know, instead of just finish it in a straight line, you just want to have this little detail. Is quite pretty. Well, thank you for watching me. I hope you find this tutorial useful. See you next time with more stitch details.